नमस्कार, आपका स्वागत है हार्मनी स्कूल फॉर मॉरल एंड ह्यूमन वैल्यूज के इस वीडियो में। आई विश यू ऑल आर हैप्पी एंड सेफ एंड योर लाइफ मस्ट बी कमिंग बैक टू नॉर्मल आफ्टर कोविड second wave. I wish you all please be happy and be safe and follow COVID protocol strictly while you are going for your work. Thanks a lot for giving your support in the form of likes and comments. If you haven't yet subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel, comment, share with your family and friends. After previous video, I have received so many calls, messages from different people from different places, rather across the nation, that I have explained and proposed the love is a feeling of being all basically. And as per them, the love is a feeling of two people, male, female, boy and girlfriend, husband and wife, and that is a very private feeling. And I have proposed it as a feeling of being related to all. And they wanted me to comment more upon this. Right. So, first of all, I would like to say that love is such a vast and deep feeling which cannot be restricted between two people. If we are doing so, we are being unjustified. I tell you, right? So, love is a feeling of oneself, of being related to the other self continuously, definitely, and unconditional. Love is a feeling of self being related to other self continuously, definitely, and unconditionally. When it goes like this, right? When this goes like this is said to be human consciousness, right? And when when the happiness is extracted due to sensation, due to body vibes, that is said to be infatuation, that is said to be liking, that is said to be attraction, that is said to be lush, which is not continuous, which is even switching, which is fluctuating, that is said to be the animal consciousness. So we have to see love with human consciousness with wider prospect, not the animal consciousness. Right? Love is a feeling of being related to all. Love is a feeling which is expressed through kindness. Love is a feeling which is expressed through beneficence. Love is a feeling which is expressed through compassion. प्यार की अभिव्यक्ति करुणा, दया और सेवा से की जा सकती है. राइट. सो लव इज अ फीलिंग, a foundation feeling for undivided society and undivided family. Love is a feeling which is the acceptance of relationship unconditional. It is a acceptance of other with its all potential and possibilities, with its all current level of competence. And love is a feeling of making efforts for mutual development. It is a feeling for, right? Suppose one is not having the right feeling about, right understanding about relationship, harmony, and coexistence, then definite, continuous, and unconditional happiness is not possible. So those who are having right understanding of relationship, coexistence, and harmony, only they can see the definite feeling of happiness which is continuous and unconditional, which is said to be self-organized, which takes us to the state of self-organization. उस समय हम दूसरे की फीलिंग के ऊपर डिपेंड नहीं करते, our behavior is made up of our own feeling. ज्यादातर ज्यादातर सोसाइटी में ज्यादातर हम लोग का रिएक्शन होता है. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी रिएक्ट टू द अदर्स बिहेवियर. किसी ने हमसे अच्छे से बात करी तो हम अच्छे से बिहेव करते हैं. किसी ने हमसे बुरी तरीके से बात करी एंड आई वी स्टार्ट बिहेविंग in his own way, and we get lesser happiness when anybody talks in a different way or in a not normal way, right? So क्या हम अपने बिहेवियर का, अपनी फीलिंग का रिमोट कंट्रोल दूसरे के हाथ में देना चाह रहे हैं? क्या दूसरे हमारी फीलिंग्स को कंट्रोल करेंगे और गवर्न करेंगे? इट इज सो लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम इट इज सो. And this is said to be what? This is said to be enslavement. Means हम दूसरे के द्वारा कंट्रोल किए जा रहे हैं. हमारी फीलिंग्स दूसरे से कंट्रोल, बल्कि जहां पर राइट अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ रिलेशनशिप, हार्मनी एंड कोएग्जिस्टेंस है, वहां हम सेल्फ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन पे जाते हैं, पहुंचते हैं, अचीव करते हैं, एंड देन वी decide our own behavior based on our feeling, not on other behavior, not a reaction. Then it's a response. Getting my point? So that's what I always say. The behavior we do follow most of the time, it is a reaction actually. It is a reaction of something else. कभी बॉस घर में लड़के आया और ऑफिस में आके अपने सबॉर्डिनेट्स को बिना बात के डांट दिया, स्कोल्ड कर दिया. छोटी सी बात which could be ignored, but he took it so seriously. It is the reaction what happened at home, and that is coming to his subordinate. Then what comes next? वो जो उसका नेक्स्ट लेवल है, he will go with that mindset with the other people and will start scoring down the line. तो नीचे वाला बंदा बेचारा जो किसी पे कुछ नहीं कर सकता, वो बाहर जाता है, लोगों से लड़ता है, फाइट करता है, छोटी सी बात पे वो अपना टेम्पर लूज कर देता है, अपने घर जाता है and he starts scolding her family members, misbehaving with her family, his family members. So that is a reaction which is being followed throughout, and most of the time. But we have to be self-organized. We have to understand that we have to respond according to our feeling, not according to the others. So what we were discussing, that love is a feeling of being related to, or we have to make our own behavior to get relate with everybody in the society, in the family, with the nature. Only then the family will become the word family. Only then the concept of word family will grow for what we want to achieve, with whom we want to live at. Right? If you like the video, please do comment, share my video with others. Right? It's a small video but meaningful, and I will be coming with more content in future, in next weeks to come, and we will discuss about anger, how to overcome anger, how we can maintain relationship, or how we can go away from conflicts. We will discuss about it in the next video. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Be safe, be healthy, and be happy. Thank you very much.